So let me take you behind the scenes of what goes into one of my open houses, because it's not just about unlocking the door and hoping for the best. The night before, I'm at the store grabbing everything I need: plates, napkins, fresh flowers, and all the ingredients for the snacks I'm putting together. I get home, spread everything out on the table, and start assembling. Now, the morning of an open house on a Saturday, we have a ritual of starting with Chick-fil-A. Not the healthiest option, but there's just something about their chicken biscuit that gets me in the right headspace. It's my little moment of calm before the hustle begins. And this particular open house at 2564 Chestea Drive in Marietta is something special. The moment you walk in, you just feel it. It's warm, inviting, it wraps around you in the best way. The ceilings are what really stop people in their tracks. They have this castle-like quality, soaring and dramatic, with so much character. You look up and you're just impressed. Then you move into the second living area. It's perfect for entertaining. Whether you're hosting a small dinner party or a big celebration, the flow of the space just works. You can already picture the conversations, the laughter, the memories being made. And the backyard, it's a retreat, truly. You step outside and the world just quiets down. It feels private, peaceful, like your own little escape without ever leaving home. So you might be wondering, why a book-themed open house? Well, it wasn't random. Later that same day, I had a volunteer event. I serve on the board for Treasure Our Daughters Academy, and we had a class with our group held at the South Fulton Library. Education was the commonality, so the theme felt meaningful. Plus, anyone who appreciates living books would have been over the moon to see some of the additions from my family's personal collection that we decorated with. Some were very challenging to acquire. Now, the very next day, completely different vibe. We went full farm theme. After church, we had lunch at Smoke on the Farm. The pulled chicken salad dressed with Alabama white sauce was delicious, by the way. And then headed over to Pamelot Farm in Milton. Those free-roaming chickens absolutely made my day, just strutting around without a care in the world, doing their own thing. It was the perfect way to unwind after a busy weekend, and a beautiful reminder that nature is woven into everything we do. From tranquil backyard sanctuaries to afternoons spent on the farm, that connection to the outdoors always finds its way into our lives.